Friends, our today's topic is invitation. We all are familiar with invitations. Invitations are sent to relatives, friends, and acquaintances. It is generally done to celebrate a social occasion like marriage, birthday, anniversary, etc. There are two types of invitations. Number one is formal, and the second one is informal. The basic difference between formal and informal invitation is that we will write as a third person in formal invitation, whereas we will write as a first person in informal invitation. But here we will discussing about formal invitations. Formal invitations are also two types. The first one is printed and the second one is typed or handwritten. Here are some important characteristics of formal invitations. As I told you, it is written as third person. It doesn't include name and address of addressee. In case of VIP is invited to preside over the meeting or function, his name must appear. The subject matter will come at the center of our invitation. So far as our examination is concerned, the maximum word limit is 50, and after completing our invitation, we will put it inside a box. We will write RSVP at the bottom on left hand side. The abbreviation of RSVP is Re-Org Si Wu Play. Once again, I pronounced RSVP Re-Org Si Wu Play. It's a French word, but its meaning in English is please respond. Please respond means the host has requested that the guest respond to say if they plan to attend the party. So here these are some important characteristics. The number one, the name of the host. We will write the name of the host at the top of our invitation. As I told you, formal invitations are written in third person. The English etiquette requires the husband name to be written first. For example, Mr. and Mrs. Sharma. After that, we will write the words like request the pleasure of your company on the auspicious occasion. Then the reason of our invitation will come. After that, we will write date, day and time. Then value will come. And if any chief guest is invited to preside over the function, then his name will come. We will write RSVP on the left hand side of our invitations. So these are some points to remember. Now I am going to explain a formal invitation with the help of this example. You are Kamal, son of Mr. Deepak Sharma of Mukhani, Haldwani. Your father wants you to draft a formal invitation to be sent on the occasion of your sister Anita's marriage, and your word limit is 50. The name of the host will come at the top of the invitation, and here you can see the name of the host is at the top. Okay? After writing the name of the host, we will leave a blank line. Okay? And then we will write request the pleasure of your company on the auspicious occasion of the marriage of their daughter. And once again leave a space. Then write the name of bride and then bridegroom, bridegroom's parents' name. Then once again leave a space, then date, once again blank line, at blank space, blank line, and then the name of venue, Mukhani, Haldwani. Okay? And at the left hand side we will write RSVP Kamal and his phone number. After completing it, we will put this invitation inside the box. formal invitation. Suppose your question is, your school is holding its annual day, then write an invitation on behalf of the principal of GIC dash dash dash, inviting the important persons of the town to attend this function. This is your question. Now, once again, we will write the host name at the top, and the host are principal, staff, and the students of GIC or Government Inter College dash dash dash. Then request the pleasure your company on the auspicious occasion of, now the region will come, and the region is the annual day of the school. Then time and the date will come. The time is 10 a.m. and date is 17th May 2020. As I told you, in case if a VIP is invited to preside over function, then his name and his designation must come. So here we will write the Honorable Education Minister Sri Arvind Pandey has kindly consented to preside. And then RSVP Principal GIC test test. In the end, we close it inside the box. So here you can see we are following all the steps of a good formal invitation. I hope you understand it very well. That's all for today.